Hello, this is Dr. Ayonshola Ogundele, Astronautics for Exploit. Most valuable asteroids in the universe, quintillions of dollars assets. The focus points of my presentation are as follows: importance of asteroids and valuable asteroids. Asteroid mining, a concept developed in 1970s for the mining of untapped and valuable asteroids, which are left over from the formation of the solar system, is gradually moving from the realm of science fiction into the world of science reality. Presently, the near-Earth asteroids, asteroids in a near-Earth orbit without the tail or coma of a comet, sufficiently large and come sufficiently close to Earth to be considered potentially hazardous, are the fertile testing ground for asteroid mining. In the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, there are a large number of asteroids that contain valuable resources. According to research findings, Davida, a carbonaceous chondrite asteroid, which contains water, nickel, iron, cobalt, nitrogen, ammonia, and hydrogen, was identified as the most valuable asteroid in the asteroid belt, with the estimated value of about $27 quintillion. Davida is followed by the 16th Psyche asteroid, estimated to worth about $10 quintillion. Several companies are researching and developing technologies that will help in the actualization of the exploitation of the asteroid's rich and untapped natural resources, which will be useful for the establishment of human colony on the Moon or Mars, the sustenance of off-Earth colonies, construction of space stations, space infrastructure, and electronics. It has been postulated that the asteroid belt contains most valuable asteroids worth about $700 quintillion of worth, which is about $100 billion for each of the individual person on the Earth. To be able to tap into the asteroid wealth and engage in large-scale asteroid mining activities, advanced technologies, sophisticated robots, and advanced spacecraft are needed to be developed. Importance of asteroids. Asteroids, a small lump of rocks made of the same substance as the rocky planets within the solar system, are gaining attention for mining because of their composition of valuable materials. Asteroids are relatively irregular in shape when compared to the Earth. Because of this irregularity, they are also referred to as minor planets, as they do not have enough mass to have a similar shape to traditional planets. This picture shows an artist's impression of an asteroid mining outpost. Asteroids are being studied because of the belief that they can tell us about the origins of the solar system, as they are considered to be the building blocks of the planets. In planetary formation, lumps of rock, such as asteroids, coalesce to create minor planets and eventually planets. It is also believed that asteroids can help us understand the origins of life. This picture shows artist's impression of a robotic spacecraft orbiting the asteroid Psyche. Valuable asteroids in the universe. Some of the most valuable asteroids in the universe are as follows: Davida, 16 Psyche, Diotima, Chiron, Stereoscopia, Winchester, Palma, Lachesis, and Lauda. Davida, one of the most valuable asteroids in the universe, is a C-type asteroid and a minor planet, and it is also one of the largest asteroids, approximately tied for 7th place to within measurement uncertainties, and the 5th or 6th most massive. Davida was discovered by Dugan in 1903 and named after David Peck III, an astronomy professor. This picture shows 511 Davida. Davida is approximately 270 to 310 kilometers in diameter and comprises an estimated 1.5% of the total mass of the asteroid belt. It is a C-type asteroid, which means that it is dark in color with a carbonaceous chondrite composition. This picture shows double chord occultation of TYC on 5th August 2016 by 511 Davida, observed by 2 amateur astronomers. Davida is the most valuable asteroid in the asteroid belt, and it has a diameter of 322 kilometers and the resource value of almost $27 quintillion. Davidas contain nickel, iron, cobalt, nitrogen, ammonia, and hydrogen. This picture shows Keck telescope image sequence of Davidas showing its rotation. 16 Psyche is a giant metal-rich asteroid and one of the most valuable asteroids in the universe. It is about 3 times farther away from the Sun than is the Earth. Its average diameter is about 140 miles, about 1/16 the diameter of Earth's moon. 16 Psyche is a large M-type asteroid discovered on 17 March 1852 and named after the Greek mythological figure Psyche. It is one of the most massive asteroids. This picture shows illustration of asteroid Psyche. The prefix 16 before Psyche signified that it was the 16th minor planet in order of discovery. It has a mean diameter of approximately 220 kilometers and contains about 1% of the mass of the asteroid belt. Psyche orbits the Sun between Mars and Jupiter at a distance ranging from 378 million to 497 million kilometers from the Sun. It takes about 5 Earth years to complete one orbit of the Sun and just over 4 hours to rotate once on its axis. This picture shows artist's concept of a spacecraft studying the huge metal asteroid Psyche from orbit. NASA's Psyche mission is planned to be launched in August 2022. The Psyche spacecraft will arrive at the asteroid in early 2026, following a mass gravity assist in 2023. Psyche asteroid's riches are estimated to worth more than the global economy at $10 quintillion. This picture shows an artist's concept of the Psyche spacecraft. Diotima is another valuable asteroid in the universe. It is a minor planet designated as 423 Diotima and discovered on 7th December 1896. It is a large asteroid orbiting between Mars and Jupiter in the main portion of the asteroid belt. It is classified as a C-type asteroid and is assumed to compose of primitive carbonaceous material. The hypothetical estimated value of Diotima is $7.09 quintillion. This picture shows a 3-dimensional model of 423 Diotima that was computed using light curve inversion technique. Diotima orbits the Sun every 1,960 days, coming as close as 2.96 astronomical units and reaching as far as 3.18 astronomical units from the Sun. It is about 175.9 kilometers in diameter, making it larger than 99% of asteroids. This asteroid is not considered a viable target for human exploration. This picture shows the Diotima asteroid illuminated by the Sun. Alauda is another valuable asteroid which is present in the universe. 702 Alauda, professional designation 1910KQ, is a carbonaceous asteroid and binary system from the outer asteroid belt, approximately 190 kilometers in diameter. Alauda is valued at about $5.73 quintillion. This picture shows minute exposure of asteroid 702 Alauda with a 24-inch telescope. Palma is another valuable asteroid in the universe. It's a minor planet designated as 372 Palma, which is one of the largest main belt asteroids. It is a B-type asteroid discovered on August 19, 1893. It is in a fixed orbit around the Sun between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. PAMA is estimated to worth $5.5 quintillion. This picture shows a three-dimensional model of 372 PAMA that was computed using light curve inversion techniques. Lachesis is another valuable asteroid in the universe. It's a minor planet designated as 120 Lachesis, which is a large main-belt asteroid discovered on April 10, 1872. This body is orbiting the Sun with a period of 5.5 years and an eccentricity of 0.05. The orbital plane is inclined by 7 degrees to the plane of the ecliptic. Lachesis is valued at $5 quintillion. This picture shows 3D convex-shaped model of 120 Lachesis, computed using light curve inversion techniques. Winchester is another valuable asteroid in the universe. It is an asteroid, a minor planet orbiting the Sun, and was discovered in 1913. Its value is estimated to be $5 quintillion. This picture shows a three-dimensional model of 747 Winchester that was computed using light curve inversion techniques. Stereoscopia is another important asteroid which is present in the universe. It is a large asteroid that orbits between Mars and Jupiter in the outer reaches of the main asteroid belt, and it is valued at $5 quintillion. This picture shows an asteroid orbiting between the Earth and the Moon. Chiron is another important asteroid, which is one of the most valuable ones in the universe. 2060 Chiron is a small solar system body in the outer solar system, orbiting the Sun between Saturn and Uranus. It was discovered in 1977. Chiron was the first identified member of a new class of objects known as centaurs, bodies orbiting between the asteroid belt and the Kuiper belt. This picture shows Centaur 2060 Chiron imaged by the Hubble Space Telescopes. Chiron, although it was initially called an asteroid and classified only as a minor planet with the designation 2060 Chiron, in 1989 it was found to exhibit behaviors typical of a comet. Its value is estimated to be 5 quintillions. This picture shows Chiron with rings. For more information, contact Astronautics for Exploit. You've been watching and listening to Most Valuable Asteroids in the Universe, Quintillions of Dollars Assets, presented by Dr. Ayinsola Ogudele, Astronautics for Exploit. Thank you.